Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Zaid Rizkulo Mulyawan.
My name is Cakran Safedal Kausar.
My name is Melisa Yasmin.
My name is Anissa Rizkiwaya. So today we're going to show you some tips how to drive a manual car.
Happy watching!
Before driving, the first thing we must do is pray to Allah for the safety of all of us. The second thing we do is must concentrate while driving and relax. Don't focus on other things like playing on your cell phone or something. Manual cars have three types of pedals. The pedal to the left is the clutch. The middle is the brake. And the right is the gas. Also memorize other elements such as sign light buttons, bells, and the wiper. We also have to learn about the position of the car's gear shift or gears, which usually start from number 1 to 5 and also for the neutral position. In addition, there is an R position for the reverse position. And this one is the handbrake. Set a comfortable position when driving so that the body doesn't get tired. And also, use a seatbelt to drive safer and not endanger yourself. When starting the car, make sure the car is in a neutral position. When we want to run the car, first of all, start the car. And then, pull the handbrake on and also put it into a gear 1. When the gas will be pressed, we have to lift the clutch slowly. This is usually the most difficult part for the beginners. When the gas is pressed hard while the clutch has not been lifted, it can cause a rough sound. In the next one, we will learn how to turn the manual cars. Don't forget to use the sign and the rear view mirror when you want to turn. If half the body of the car passes the corner, you can turn in the full direction of the turn.